cut like a square. One carrot. I use 4 potatoes. Let's get it started now. We need use sugar for this meal. Sugar is very important. I use 冰糖, but this white sugar, it's much easier to find. This is 八角, but I don't have. I only have these broken pieces, so I just use them. Lettuce we need 1 onion, 1 ginger. Need small piece of ginger. Then 八角. This one is cinnamon. Sugar. Don't forget our 花椒. I have like dry pepper, red pepper. You can put it like straight dry red pepper inside too, or maybe more, depends on you. My husband, he kind of don't like spicy, so I may not put in. We had lots of meat today, so I try to put a little bit more oil than usual. Today we're going to use light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and cook wine. You can see smoke come out. Keep cooking for a while. I forgot to put the sugar, so I just put. Oh yeah, that's the sugar. That's light soy sauce. I put 2 spoons. 1, 2. Dark soy sauce. 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Cook one. Cook one. 1 spoon. One cup, 2 cups. Let's wait till the water get boiled. Turn the fire down. Use small fire. Cook for 3 hours. I can smell it already. The longer the meat will be more soft and more delicious. About 1 hour now. Only cooked it 1.5 hours, so another 1.5 hours to go. Don't need to put salt or anything else. Put some potatoes and carrots inside. Let's put the carrots first.大概煮了10多分钟。You can see it dried. super soft already. Almost dry, so the potatoes start to get real soft. About 2 hours. Real tasty. That's my second time to do this one. Real soft.